In this video, I'm going to show you how to add weight to Shopify product. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the products page of my Shopify. Now, for example, I just want to change the weight of the Shopify product. You can click on that product right here, and then this will open the actual product page of that specific product. Now in here, just scroll down. So scroll all the way down, and in here you can see that they have in here also the default template as well as the variation for this. So what you can do is to make sure that you're tracking the variation for that. So we can click on edit right here. We can actually edit this shipping channel right here, as well as the category, homepage, and all of these things right here. Now make sure also that this is actually tracked on the inventory. Now if that's not tracked, just like this, what you can do is you can just head over and click on this add another product in order to make sure that you have that option. So for example, let's name this t-shirt. And then in here, I will skip this for now since this is not the focus of the video. So we can also add in here media, the pricing for this, the compared price, cost per item. You can have your profit, the margin. Make sure that this one has been turned on since this is actually what we want. And then in here, scroll down. Under that is the shipping. And in here, just need to put in here weight. So it depends on what product you are selling. So in here, just need to put in your weight. It's on the kilograms, but you can also change it into pounds, ounces, and grams right here. So after you have done everything right here, just make sure to click on the save button right here in order to save the progress that you have created. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.